Stop flushing and act quickly to prevent overflow when you discover a toilet clog and have no plunger. First, stop adding water by turning off the toilet tank valve if you can reach it, and if not, keep the lid on the tank and close the tank cover to limit accidental flushing. Pour a generous amount of liquid soap or dish soap into the bowl around the water line to lubricate the obstruction in pipes. Allow the soap to sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes so it can penetrate and reduce friction. After waiting, try a gentle flush while watching the water level. Do not press the handle down fully if the bowl is near the rim. Use short partial pushes to test whether the water recedes. If the gentle flush does not move the clog, create a makeshift seal with a plastic bottle by cutting the bottom off, placing the neck into the trap, and using firm, rapid pumps to mimic a plunger action while ensuring an airtight fit around the neck. Another home method is pouring a pot of hot, but not boiling water from waist height into the bowl to add force and help dissolve soft clogs. Boiling water can crack porcelain, so do not use it. If these measures fail, prepare to bail water out with a small container to avoid overflow and call for professional help promptly. Common mistakes are continuing to flush, which causes overflow and water damage. So stop flushing immediately and shut off the water supply at the valve behind the toilet. Trying to force a clog by flushing hard can push the obstruction deeper and make it worse. So rely on soap and controlled water pours or the bottle pump method before more aggressive measures. Using boiling water or harsh chemical drain cleaners can crack porcelain and damage plumbing, so use hot but not boiling water and avoid chemical drain products in toilets. If chemical products were already used, tell the plumber to avoid hazardous reactions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find leads and projects relevant to their skills. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, share experiences, and ask questions related to urgent plumbing steps and longer-term repairs.